What up, gang? We back with
And
another one.
What
another,
is good?
Another
What is
banger.
Yep.
What's
Welcome
up
back
with it?
on this sunny day in California.
Yeah.
Man.
We got the hatch in the driveway. The CRX don't start because we're having spark issues, so we're trying to figure that out. But we got a lot going on with this.
Yeah, we got some work to do today on this.
See if I can get this line switched out. We might have some pre-made ones there already. The drain line, freaking, we're gonna take this off and cut it shorter. I also have to do that on my job because I don't have a vise or nothing. Need to invest in one, but yeah, gotta take this, cut it shorter so I can hook it up to the bottom of the turbo. Because y'all might not know, but the hatch was having compression problems. So while I was cranking the car to do a compression test, it was like leaking oil out the bottom of the turbo drain. So so I'm trying to get that hooked up so I don't have that problem anymore, and that's something that needs to be done anyways. And then we're gonna raise the ride height of this thing just so if we ever need to move it in or out of the driveway, we don't have driveway problems like we did the last time. So and the car's just super low, and now I have a full exhaust, so trying to
Scrapes everywhere.
to prevent any problems possible, because this is gonna be the fun car and I don't need it down all the time like it is now. So we're working, about to start trying to get this thing together so we can hit the streets and have some fun.
Yep. And quick update on the Z. I guess that did solve the problem. So.
Oh yeah, I didn't even ask you about that.
I guess that was the
yeah,
issue.
So if you're having idle issues, check your map sensor, because
map sensor and throttle body.
They have a wire and they heat up, and it's supposed to burn off all the particles on the actual sensor, but they suck.
It was either that or the throttle body. I can't really know since I cleaned both.
It's probably
at the
the
same
math
time,
though, since it's an actual sensor.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what we got going on today. Just trying to make some progress with this thing. Trying to get that done because Mondo got to leave soon. He's about to leave us for like 6 months or something, so, or longer, who knows. But yeah, so we're trying to get all this crap done. The wastegate is on, sorta. I gotta put the ring that goes in between here and here, but I just threw it on just to make sure everything was good, and make sure my lines were gonna be routed properly. So yeah, we got a lot going on, kinda, sorta. So,
let's get to it though.
Yep.
We'll see you guys on the flip side when we start moving. All right. So fast forward a little bit. We just got back from Tamari. I forget what his store works. Where the store that he works at is called, but got it back, cut it down to the size that he needed. So it just needs for us to test fit it.
Why are you whispering? What's up? We got this freaking thing to put around it too, just so it can be protected from heat and shit.
Yep, but it's finally up to size. Hopefully it's the right size. Then we gonna have some problems, but now it's just
no problem. We'll make it straight.
Now we just gonna have to screw it back on and get to work. So get back to you guys when we get that started.
I mean, they could have.
And quick little time jump. Everything is mocked up. The lines in there.
Pretty snug.
Heat shielded up. Let me see real quick. It's pretty tight there, this line here, but we figured if we move the piping, you might get like a 1/16 of an inch of space.
Thinking maybe go with a longer line and I route it around
a different way.
The intercooler piping, so it's not as close to the header, because I really don't like that. The last one was like, and it was fine. It worked fine. It didn't leak or nothing, but
rather play it safe than sorry.
I'd rather have it wrapped around something cooler than, tucked up against the fucking over here cuddling all this exhaust stuff, which gets really hot.
Yeah, but it's just mocked up for now, and then we're just gonna use.
It's gonna get taken apart. I'm gonna throw thread sealant on it, all the anything that has fluid going through it, and then that'll be that.
And it's finally on, and then after that we're just gonna raise the ride height because it's sitting very low right now.
Yep. So yeah, we'll show y'all that because that don't take that long. I just didn't really feel like going through all of this because I'm just trying to get it on. This car's been sitting here for so long. I'm just trying to get it done. So I'll make up for it when the car's running. Well, when y'all see this car start, it's gonna start first try. I'm calling it right now.
Y'all heard it here first.
First try.
First try. We gonna hold him to
Give
that.
me this shit. This motherfucker's lying. That shit's not gonna start on the first try. There's no fucking way. Listen, I'm not. Don't listen to him. I'm not.
Because what type of support is that? It's gonna
Listen.
It's gonna start
No.
on the first try.
Look.
I'm gonna make
Look.
sure it starts on
What
the
is
first
this?
try.
Something
So,
right there.
F
Anyway,
you.
get out the way. No one cares about the fuck
Yeah,
you're talking
exactly.
about. Cars don't start on the first try. It's gonna be
Mine
it's gonna be
does.
something stupid.
Yeah,
It's gonna be a fucking fuse or something.
Don't.
I'm telling you guys. Anyway, let's
I have fuses that
let's go
light
and
up
see.
red when they're blown.
let's go and see what the cool people are doing.
All up in these wires. I freaking bought this car from some random guy in LA and he didn't treat the car too well. So I have all these wires and I'm actually going to try and organize those right now while I'm also checking the fuses that are hiding back in there. So I'm going to take care of that right now.
And then, you know, maybe if anyone else gives a shit, then I might get some assistance or something, because I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing down there, but
If you need help,
whatever.
no, Fred.
Fucking. Hey, bye-bye, take it easy.
We got
Yo,
this side was giving us trouble.
These fucking lug nuts wasn't trying to come off. They was like super stuck.
It's
He
been
had
like
to use-
what?
He had to use his superhuman strength to get them off.
It's been like what, like a year?
Oh, it's definitely
Since you
been longer
touched
a
it?
year since these wheels came off.
So look
So,
at it's
they're
just-
kind of seized. We got
Right.
some.
We're gonna clean them real quick.
The goat. I'm not sponsored, but
Hit us up. For a
yeah,
sponsor.
this worked really good for most of them, except for that last one. Get you some PB Blaster if you got some rusted anything. It helps a whole lot. But yeah, so
What are we doing?
we're about to freaking I need to get down here, see what I need to disconnect from here. It's really just this this fork here. I'm about to get some. We about to have some billet forks in here sooner or later, but they're be on the lookout for that. Some drip. But anyways, yeah, disconnect this fork here, and then there's two bolts up here. Believe it or not, these actually weren't really all that tight, because people don't care about their lives. So that was loose. Both of them.
Both sides.
Yeah, they came off super fucking easy. I don't like that, but it's gonna be tighter now. But yeah, so these two bolts up here, this will drop down, and
We're taking
then
the whole coil out.
yeah, I
what you
gotta
got?
adjust the height. I gotta match them up. I also want
Yeah,
to look
because
at
it's
them.
leaning on one side.
Yeah. This passenger side is higher than the driver's side, but yeah, I'm finna take this off, make them even, and also raise the height, because you can show them the exhaust since the car is up now. You wanna go on the dry side? I'll take it on the dry side and get under there. So since we're here, I guess I'll show you guys the exhaust. We got, in the downpipe, freaking O2 sensor goes down under the engine. Freaking. Then we got, the little flex there. Got a clamp, a resonator right there, and then it goes all the way out the back to the Vibrant Street Power muffler. It's pretty good work. Shout out to Horsepower Fab for this. Got me all hooked up with a full exhaust. This is the first time y'all are seeing the underside of the car. This is the first time that I've actually really been under here since I've had the car, because I ain't really got under it. It's always been elsewhere. So yeah.
So Mondo's still trying to figure out if there's a fuse going on.
Damn, look at that, a 17.
What?
Gotta love Japanese car manufacturers. They make everything easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Once both coils are out, we'll let you guys know.
We're gonna
So
measure them up,
we
show
gotta-
you all of that. Freaking, we'll be back in like.
Because hopefully this
We'll
shit
be like
ain't
we'll be
stuck.
back in like 1 second.
Well, for you guys, 1 second. For us, like 30 minutes. Hopefully
Nah, that's
less.
just how fast I do the work.
Oh. Hopefully they're not so tight, and we're not struggling like we did with the lug nuts.
One eternity later.
All right, y'all. So, freaking, I undid the top of the coil here, but obviously I don't have any space to pull this out. The fork is out, so the coil is pretty much completely undone. But either gonna have to try to take a disconnect this upper control arm or disconnect the steering knuckle, which will probably be easier because I could just disconnect it from here. But yeah, something is gonna have to get disconnected here, so that way I could get this fork out, because as you can see, there's no room to actually pull it out. So that's what we're working on now. Still got a couple other things to do. So yeah, probably gonna end this video soon just because it's getting dark. And like I told y'all, I'm trying to get this freaking car done, so I'm not really too focused on recording right now. But yeah, just want to show y'all some of this. So Mondo's still messing with this thing. Whole mess down here. It's ridiculous. As you see, he's taking all this crap out. So yeah, that's what we got going on. So yeah, we'll get back to y'all in a second. Ooh, I'm hecka black. Right.
What happened?
Wow.
Stock shock absorbers.
Stock shock.
And aftermarket springs.
And what does that mean? They're not adjustable.
Hey, but you know what? Let me see.
So the car's just gonna be sitting crooked until I buy some more skunk tooth springs. Now it gives me a reason to buy aftermarket suspension. So
Right.
damn, you should have got that on camera.
Yeah,
brother.
I knew he was
Get
gonna
down.
try once I started. I would have moved. He wouldn't have caught me slipping. The fuck?
But yeah, so that's the deal. So
Sorry,
these are gonna get put back in, unfortunately, until I buy some. I'm probably gonna buy either some more skunk tooth stuff. I might get some field suspension. I don't know. That stuff's kind of pricey, but that's that. Getting a new line for the turbo feed. Once this is done, then I'll be able to put the thread sealer on everything. Put some gasket maker down here for the drain, and then hook all this stuff up, and then I won't have to mess with that. Hook up the freaking lines for this, reroute that somewhere, whole bunch of stuff.
We about to
We found out that my alternator fuse is bad for some reason. It looks
Or
fine.
we think it's bad 'cause
Visual
it looks
inspection.
fine, so we
visual
don't know.
inspection. It looks fine.
Yeah.
Aside from visual, it's not reading how it should with the multimeter. So we're gonna go and grab
over here. I'm black. Yeah, you need to get into the angle, brother. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, nice.
Perfect lighting.
Yeah, it is. So we're gonna go to AutoZone, freaking grab a fuse, throw it in the car, try and start the motherfucker. Hopefully it fucking works, and then I'll just drive it right out of here to a.
Yeah, he's gonna drive it through the
Yeah,
hatch.
yeah, no. Just how it is on these stands.
Yep.
I'm driving it.
It's
like
rear-wheel
that.
drive, in case y'all didn't know.
Oh, imagine that'd be beautiful. What you laughing at?
He dying.
Wish.
What's
He
huh?
dying over
Huh?
there.
Cause you
What's funny?
wish.
What's funny?
Cause you wish.
It is rear.
was
It's rear. Shut up, bitch.
All right, so I guess we run into AutoZone.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be it for the video. So. Catch you on the next one.
Hasta la pasta.